Yo, yo, yo.
What up, man?
What up, bro? It's freaking cold out here. Wala pa akong pang winter eh.
What's up, Tiff? Let's go on a long ride, bro.
Long ride,
Yeah,
eh.
long ride to your house. You've been riding a lot or not really?
No, just today. Kasi sabi ko, I'm gonna ride to the condo
Oh,
just to ride. Hindi kasi kailangan ko palitan yung baterya ng ring doon.
oo.
Napubos na.
Walang tao ngayon doon?
Kaka-check out lang ng 20.
Oo, okay.
So meron ulit January 4.
Oo.
So that's why I had to change the battery.
Ayos yun, bagong taon, bagong tenant.
I know. Hanggang siya ron, April.
No way!
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Wala kang
So
problema.
that's good. Yeah, not till April.
Ready ka na mag-pickleball sa Sabado?
Yeah, dude. Just my knee hurts, bro. For some reason, I don't know why. I haven't even been doing anything lately.
Have you checked your age?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
That's probably why.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No, you know what it is? Nung uminto tayo naglaro, bro.
Oh.
Kasi tuloy-tuloy tayo noon. I was feeling good, and then we stopped playing. Tapos sa jiu-jitsu na rin ako, nag-stop din ako kasi nasaktan ako ng konti.
Oh.
So I stopped moving, I guess.
Kasalanan ni Makmak yun eh, nagbakasyon siya eh.
Makmak talaga, oh.
Oo, kasi
Pero we shoot.
nung nagbakasyon siya, natigil tayo maglaro eh.
No, you guys don't wanna play outside.
No, hell no. Are you crazy, bro?
No, dude, ang init kaya pag umaga.
I don't
It's
know.
like freaking 69, 70s, bro.
Bumaba yung tolerance ko sa lamig.
No, mag-jacket ka lang. Kung if you could ride at this cold, you should be okay playing pickleball. Because once you start moving, it's hot, dude.
Yeah. Actually, pauwi. Dito tayo sa kaliwa. Sige.
Oh.
Pauwi, subukan ko dumaan sa Patriot. Hinahanap ko si Art para maimbitahan ko rin si Art sa Sabado.
Ah, okay. Art?
Yeah.
Si ano? Oo, tama.
Oo.
Si, yung
Matanda. Oo.
Mexicano.
Oo.
Yung may asawa.
Oo.
Yeah, this is the first time I ever rode this again.
Yung mga, after 2 months siguro.
Yep. Yeah, I haven't been riding. No, simula nung lumamig, di na ako nag-ride.
2 months ago nga.
Was that 2 months ago?
I think
Oo, kakadamig lang. Good weather. I like this weather.
Mas maganda kung maaraw ng konti. Medyo overcast eh. Oh.
Well, it's perfect for the season though.
For the eve.
Yeah. Yep.
Signal mo signal. Okay, una ka.
Ito rin pala to. Hindi.
Hanip sa lin.
Do you want some hot cocoa?
You got some hot cocoa? Let's hot cocoa it then.
Yeah, let's go. Tawagan ko lang si Lian. Hey Siri.
Call Lala Bubu. Papa-open mo kay Siri yung garage. Thanks for the hot chocolate. Did you make this? Ah. Hi, Jeff. All right, Jeffrey. Merry Christmas, my friend.
Hey, man. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your Christmas, okay? Enjoy your food. Kita kits, Jeff.
Yeah, bro.
Yan, buksan mo yung midnight, ha?
Thank you, thank you.
Yan si Jeff. Matagal na natin tropa yan. Bago pa lang ako sa Amerika, as in. Siguro nakilala ko si Jeff around 2001. Tropa na natin yan. Lahat kami mga bagets pa. It's 3 o'clock, so we have 9 hours to go before Christmas, guys. Malagyan natin ng side view si Bieber. Malapit naman tayo dito na sa bahay, so hindi naman siya masyadong bad kasi wala tayo sa main road. Pero don't try this at home, okay guys? Napakadelikado. So we are finally home. Short vlog lang naman yung ginawa natin. Nagpabisita tayo kay Jeff, and then sinamahan natin siya pa uwi sa kanila. Ginawan tayo ng hot chocolate ni Ompong, and then tumambay lang ng konti. Now we are home. It's just past 3 o'clock. I just wanna say thank you again sa mga viewers natin dyan. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. And thank you for supporting the channel, and sinasamahan nyo kami tumambay. And that's it. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.